Resilia Aged Garlic Review. Does this aged garlic supplement actually work? Can an aged garlic supplement really provide meaningful cardiovascular support? Or is it mostly clever marketing? Resilia is worth a closer look because its formula uses aged garlic extract rather than a standard garlic supplement. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. Resilia's formula provides 1,200 milligrams of aged garlic extract per daily serving, along with 100 milligrams of ubiquinol, CoQ10, and 180 micrograms of vitamin K2 as MK7. The garlic is aged for 20 months, and the soft gels are designed to be odorless. The interesting part is the research behind aged garlic extract. Recent reviews of randomized trials suggest aged garlic may modestly improve systolic blood pressure and LDL cholesterol in some populations. However, the research is on aged garlic preparations in general, not necessarily on the complete Resilia formula itself, so you shouldn't expect guaranteed results. Another potential advantage is the combination with ubiquinol and vitamin K2, giving the formula broader nutritional support than a basic garlic capsule. But that also means you're taking several active ingredients rather than garlic alone. The biggest thing to remember is that this is a dietary supplement, not a treatment for high blood pressure, cholesterol, or heart disease. The evidence is promising, but researchers still call for larger and better long-term studies. You should also check with a healthcare professional before using it if you take medications or have a medical condition, particularly because vitamin K can matter for people taking certain blood-thinning medicines. Overall, Resilia is an interesting option for someone specifically looking for an aged garlic supplement, but realistic expectations are important. The ingredient has some credible research behind it, while the finished product itself should not be treated as clinically proven to prevent or treat disease. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.